The University of Arkansas Community College at Morrilton's Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Technology program, or HVAC, includes courses in electricity, motors, residential and commercial refrigeration, heating, and air conditioning. You will be able to maintain, diagnose, and correct problems throughout an entire system. Training includes installation, programming, and calibration of smart thermostat technology systems controlled remotely to increase energy efficiency in both residential homes and commercial facilities. You will receive extensive hands-on training. Internships are available from local businesses in search of technicians. Throughout the program, you will have the ability to earn several industry-recognized certifications that can give you a competitive edge into the job market. The demand for highly skilled certified HVAC technicians is in constant growth due to advances in technology. If you are entering grades 10 through 12, you can concurrently enroll in this program through the UACCM Career Center and get a head start on your degree. The Office of Skills Development pays your tuition, fees, and supplies as a concurrent student. UACCM's affordable tuition, combined with financial aid and scholarships, allows you to enter the workplace with little to no debt. We provide a nurturing setting that makes every step of your journey meaningful as you navigate the path towards your goals. Schedule your campus visit today.